In this really quick video, I want to show you what advantages you'll get in the pro version of Playtraffic and how it's gonna make your playlist marketing even more effective. So the first and the most important feature that you get in Playtraffic Pro is automation. Now with automation, what you can actually do is create a template of a playlist. So you can create a playlist template just like this one with any specific video that you want from all of your videos, any video from the shortlisted videos, and then you can also add random your video like this one and add random shortlisted videos. So what will happen then is when you add a random video for yourself and maybe even from other people, even for the videos that you've shortlisted, what's going to happen is Playtraffic is going to publish these videos, this playlist, to your channels that you've selected. You can select a channel right from here. So let's say we are doing this automation for this channel, this particular channel. So and then Playtraffic is going to publish those videos to that channel on the schedule you specify. So the schedule is specified right here. You can have a minimum interval of 3 hours, which means Playtraffic is going to publish playlists with a minimum gap of 3 hours. You can increase that. Let's keep it 6 hours, and let's increase the maximum gap to 19 hours. So what will happen is Playtraffic will select a random time between 6 hours to 19 hours, and at that time it's going to generate a playlist automatically based on the template you just created, based on all these videos that you've put in. So if you put in any specific video using the add your video or add shortlisted video command, it's gonna put that particular video in there. And if you've put in random your videos or random shortlisted videos, then it's gonna look in your collection of videos and pick up a video randomly. So that playlist is going to be generated by on the fly just right then when it's being published. And every time you're gonna have a unique playlist published to your channel based on the titles that you've selected here. So you can just add on any keyword, any title you want, click on add new, click on the playlist, add in the playlist title, put in whatever you want, maybe this one, and click save. And what's gonna happen is one by one, Playtraffic will create a playlist for each one of them and publish it to your channel. When the playlist is published, the status is going to be changed to published from pending. That way you can actually set up automation, start it, and then just go and do whatever you want, and Playtraffic will do the rest. It's gonna make sure that your playlists are curated and published to your channels effectively. And of course, it's got only your shortlisted videos, it's got only all your videos which you have created and added to Playtraffic. So it's completely TOS compatible, and it's gonna make sure that you're able to create effective playlists endlessly. But that's not all. That's not all in Playtraffic Pro. We're gonna give you another super feature, and that is the manager. The manager will let you modify existing playlists on your channel. So I've got this channel right over here. I can pick up any playlist from my channel, I can see it, and I can modify it, which means I can change the order of the videos in it. I can remove any video I want. I can add any video to the playlist that I want, and I can basically customize it, refresh it, update it, and keep it updated with whatever content I want. So this is a perfect way to keep your playlists updated, to tell Google that you're always creating fresh content, that you got new content all the time, and get better viewership for your playlists. So automation and manager, that's a part only of Playtraffic Pro. But apart from that, you also get multiple licenses. You also get the capability to run more campaigns. So you can actually use Playtraffic with more channels, more campaigns, and make use of it in a very professional manner. So if you are a pro YouTuber, make sure you get Playtraffic and you get all these amazing features, plus 2 years of free upgrades and also 3 licenses for your computers.